Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okay, let's continue our lesson today with the 4.3. Yeah, the title is proteins. Okay, so these are the learning standards that you have to achieve for today. Okay, number one, list the elements of the proteins. Okay, number two, conceptualize the formation and the breakdown of dipeptides and polypeptides. Okay, number three, write and explain the word equation for the formation and the breakdown of dipeptides. And then the last one is justify the importance of proteins in a cell. Right, okay, so that are the learning standards that you have to know for today. Okay, let's go to the elements in the protein. Okay, protein is a complex compound, complex compound consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen elements. But most proteins also contain sulfur and phosphorus. So the elements in the protein consist of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. Right? Okay, that is referred to the elements in the protein. Okay, food that rich in proteins include fish, meat, egg, milk, and also beans. Okay, all proteins are composed of one or more polymers. Okay, do you still remember the polymers? Yeah, polymers consist of monomers. Consists of the monomers in a chain. Polymers consist of a chain of monomers. Okay, polymers for protein are known as polypeptides. Polypeptides. Okay, each polypeptide is made up of monomers or small unit known as amino acid. Okay, for the protein, the monomer for the protein is amino acid. If for carbohydrate, the monomer is glucose. But for the protein, the monomer of the protein is amino acid. Right? Okay. A polypeptide can consist of 50 to thousands of amino acid molecules that link together through condensation process. Okay, that is referred to the polypeptide. Polypeptide is a polymer for the protein. If amino acid is the monomer for the protein. Okay, dipeptides. Okay, the word of the di refer to the two. Okay. So dipeptides are composed of two amino acids, which link together by a peptide bond, through condensation. So in the process, one water molecule is removed. Okay. So it means that when a peptide combine with the other peptide, it will form dipeptide by condensation process. Okay. So further condensation can link more amino acids to form polypeptide chain. If further condensation occur, it will link more amino acids and it will form polypeptide chain. Alright, okay, that is by condensation. So each dipeptide can be broken down into amino acid by hydrolysis. Okay, each dipeptide can be broken down by hydrolysis. Okay, please look at in the diagram here. So this is referred to the amino acid. Amino acid link with the other amino acid by the condensation process, it will form dipeptide, yeah, and remove a molecule of water. And the dipeptide also can be broken down, yeah, okay, in the presence of water, yeah, by hydrolysis, yeah, hydrolysis, and then it will broke down into amino acid plus amino acid. Okay, that is referred to the condensation process and hydrolysis process that involve dipeptide. Yeah, okay. Make sure you can remember the process. Yeah. The importance of proteins in a cell. Okay, why proteins is very important for the cell? Okay, first, proteins are used to build new cells and also to repair damaged tissues and also to synthesize enzymes. Yeah, enzyme. Do you still remember the enzymes? Okay, enzymes refer to the protein that involved in the digestion. Yeah? Okay, and also hormones, yeah, to synthesize the hormones. Antibody, yeah, so these are referred to the antibodies. Yeah, and then the hemoglobin, yeah, to synthesize the hemoglobin. Where is the hemoglobin? In the red blood cell. Okay, so these are referred to the red blood cell. Inside the red blood cell, there is hemoglobin. Yeah, hemoglobin is important to transport oxygen, right? Okay, so that's all for the 4.3 protein. Yeah, okay, I hope you can cover 4.3 protein very well. Okay, that's all. Thank you.